Subukan natin kung gaano ito kalakas. O, napakalakas. At hindi lang ito malakas, napakatibay pa. Are you looking for an affordable and durable welding machine? This is what you are looking. You can tell if it's durable because in the 5 years I've been selling it, I haven't experienced a return.
Mas pulido, mas matibay, mas sulit pa sa'yo. Di ka bibiguin, kaya tayo'y di matitinag. Free shipping, 50% full freebies pa rin. Cash on delivery, lahat kompleto at tipid sa kuryente. Best for stable performance. Talaga napaka-astig welding mo. Siguradong walang sabi, walang ligalig.
If you want to order, just comment